let's again on causality. Let's think on causality because when we can understand that religion as well as science works with the causality principle, let's investigate this principle. What is causality? Every effect has a previous cause, right? Every cause has an effect. But one effect have a lot of cause, yes. How can how can I discover what is the necessary cause or the strongest cause or the main cause? Or better, what is the first cause of all the other causes? And here we are again in the limit of the science and the religion. But of course, if everything has a cause, we are talking about time. What is the cause of the present? The past. But the past exists. So we can think that all the universe is changing. So when I do this movement, everything do a kind of movement. So there is a picture, there is one moment, and again one moment, and again one moment for all the persons, right? My action is able to change the universe. Is my action able to change the universe? Because if this is true, it's also true that all the actions happens once in a moment. So the present is the result of all actions of all humans and all actions of the planets, the stars. So when you move something in another place of the universe, this will change at the same moment, or will not change, but will be part of that moment, right? So if we think about time and creation and time and eternity, is time a circle or it's a line with a beginning and with an end? So all these questions on causality start to open a way in metaphysics, ontology, epistemology, right? So, causation, causality. If everything happens in a moment, if past, it's our memory, if future is the same of hypothesis, if the present is the only thing that is real and present are a moment, So we are talking about the essence of the world, right? We are talking about what go further of the physics inside the being. We are talking about the essence of the being. One moment. And after another moment. So, we also can think that the world is something like 1 and 0 are true and false, are exist, do not exist. Or I think that is something like this. Well, I don't know the correct symbol, but the idea is everything is what exists. Nothing, its own name is just a name. The true is everything that exists, the present, the moment. The non-existence is the part of the process. So, we are talking about causality, but we are in the way that the arrival point is dialectics, right? We are talking about dialectics. We are talking about something that exists and something that do not exist. And this movement as the movement of life, right? So, coming back. In the beginning, we are talking about the difference of science and religion and the similarities. Similarities are in a greater number than differences, right? Reason and faith, causality, and now dialectics. Because if you pay attention, we are talking about everything and nothing. We are talking about God and no God. We are talking about everything, no thing. So, we are in the field of dialectics. When we go looking for causality, right? What is the cause? What is the cause? We start to think, well, maybe there's no first cause. There is eternity. And maybe causality is just a movement of dialectics.